Hello, and welcome to the Novacura Flow online video tutorial series. In this video, we will cover the creation of users and roles in Flow Studio. In order for your personnel to access and use flows, users must be created, roles must be created, and users must be assigned to roles. First, let's go over the types of users. There are full users, who can log in and run all licensed clients, including the portal. Workflow users, who have permission to run specific flows they have been granted access to. Machine users, who can run only machine workflows. Transaction users, every workflow they run will create a transaction report. Portal users, who only have permission to log into the portal client. And public users, who can access a workflow without needing to log in. Each user must be granted an access level. The three access levels are: administer basic data. These users can access all of Flow Studio and run workflows. Administer workflow users, who can edit and run workflows, but do not have access to the environment tab of the studio. And work users. These users are able to access flows through the various clients, but they cannot log in to Flow Studio. In short, access levels allow you to ensure the security of the flows you have built by controlling who in your organization can access what. Users must be assigned roles. Different roles can be granted access to different flows based on your organizational structure and the needs of your users. Users can be assigned one or many roles. Roles are then assigned to menus and inboxes so that end users can easily access the flows that are relevant to them. Now that you understand the purpose of creating users and roles, let's look at how they are created in Flow Studio. Log into Flow Studio and navigate to the Environment tab. On the left-hand side of the screen, click the tab marked Users. In the upper right of the center panel, you will see a button marked Add. Click this button and the User Configuration panel will appear to the right. In the User ID field, I will type Test User. This will be the name used in the login screen for Flow Studio, as well as for each of the clients: Web, iOS, Android, and Portal. We will leave the access level as work and the type as full user. I will enter a password in the password field to protect the account. Now we can save this user. Next, we will create a role for the user. Navigate to the Roles tab on the left-hand side of your environment section. Click the Add button on the upper right-hand side of the window. On the right-hand side, a role configuration panel will appear. I will enter Training Video as the group ID and as the group name. If you would like to create a role tree such that users have access to any role below them in the tree, check the box marked Inherit Children. In the Roles section, click the plus icon to add a role. New Role will appear underneath Roles. Double-click on New Role and a configuration window will appear. Under Name, I will type Training, and under Display, I will enter Test Role. Now we can save the roles we created. Navigate back to the Users tab and you can now add a role to your user. Click on Test User from the list, and in the Role Tags portion, click the Edit button. Check the box next to Test Role and hit OK. That's it. You have created a role and assigned a user to that role. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Be sure to visit us at novacura.com/movies for more training videos, or contact us at www.support.novacura.com for any support-related requests. Novacura, real process improvement.